Gracie, we don't understand. People in from Waterhouse call me to man. And they say, Gracie, we don't understand how she turned such a bad girl on the internet. And when we know her at $10 and $20 she used to walk and beg. So we don't know all of a sudden she turned into this bad girl. But we don't know her as a bad girl, we know her as a little beggar girl. You know? Then we know her as a just a girl, but you know them girls who just walk and beg at 10 or 20. And them say our sister the day before her. I don't know if Sophia there before her. I don't want to tell no lie. But Sophia, I'm sorry for calling your name tonight. Just assure her I know the files for true. She have a sister named Sophia. Where they live a Waterhouse with her. And, you know, but Steve now is like, Steve tired of nastiness. It's like, the plate them when Steve was them in the kitchen, and if on a 1 day plate. And if on a 1 day plate. So Stephen was upset when him see plate them for days in the kitchen. So Stephen say, you ain't doing shit. So it go viral because Stephen was like tired of her being the person who she is. Cause everybody know her. Everybody know her by a bad pan her mouth. Yeah, everybody know her bad pan her mouth. Everybody know her bad pan her mouth. She very bad pan her mouth. So them always say like she chat enough. Those mosquitoes. Yeah, them always say like she chat enough. So they don't know where she coming from with so much lies and mix up. So it happened that when she come over here, I'm telling them about she got Georgia for 4 months. Move your clock about makeup story. If you still like one over there. John Cross, until I still like one over there love makeup story. Try and be a makeup story for people. Think everybody still like one love makeup story? You think everybody makeup story like one? Let me see how one is for black. A pure search is Humpy Dumpy search for lies. For tell. You know when people are tell lie. Gracie, you too lie, man. KK, go near me, mama. KK, come on for this. So, guys, it all happened that the family member them and them give out the files and them say they never know a such a stay. They say them tired of her. They say me say when the lawsuit what? But I want to jump here say me say when the lawsuit reach you for makeups to sue you. Philip, when I answer them Phyllis. Phyllis make the junk them go and rain Philip and to ready for take them on. We not make up no story. Who want believe, believe. Who don't want believe, don't believe. Believe, kill and believe, cure. But most of the time when Gracie talk as much as our kitchen old fashioned. And the things them both are, when you see them play out. If you never talk the truth, most of the time when I talk, when you see them play out a little bit after. If you not play out the same time, it play out afterward. So look for see the one you play out. The daughter married to one girl. And the girl where the daughter married to, nobody like Lorraine. Nobody like Lorraine. Nobody like that woman. Them say when she come here, she dey black like tar. She never look too good. The true people I was tell her about, oh, she bleach because of insecure. We are insecure over here. If we're big and fat, so let it be. If we shape bad, then nah do my body. But not have money for do body. But nah do it. Who have money for do it and want to do it, fine, go ahead. But me, Gracie, nah do it. But nah do my body. I ain't doing my body. Did you told Lauren the same? I said when the last will reach her, move your ass. When Donna did say she have 5 lawyers, you people. When I come on the lawsuit, John Crumb, they have to wait for now. Me hungry and broke and not even have a mother in their kitchen. So no come on the lawsuit, germs. Germs, no come on the lawsuit. Me hungry and broke and paparazing. They even have a mother in their kitchen. So they me have to pay for lawsuit. Come with the lawsuit, them come. When you come with them. When I wait pan. When you get the liar already, I wonder if a 5 liar you have. Assaulting it tonight. A 5 liar you have. When you move, everybody move. Me salt them. Dumpy, you can block all you want. Enough page me have. Here all the river mouth, girl. I search for lie. Them. Who from young go John Crow? Who you man? Go from there, no move, they move. What actual man? Move from them on the come for evidence. Look what time to talk things about people. Go from there. Look how much time to talk things about people and get a dose on the whole medicine John Crow. We not fabricate no lie pound over here. Go where? One time to talk, I don't to tell lie pound people if I even lie. Somebody I tell pound no lie, I truth. Talk truth, turn on the screen record and send it to Lorraine in fact. Yeah, that to John Crow. Wait, no send this for Gyal to. Yeah, that to Germs. Wait there, give Lorraine this to. But send it for Gyal. Send them there too. Wait, hold on, everybody else duck. Yeah, them there too. Yeah, them there too. Dirty Tina. Salt, pillow of salt, you come. And then you feel paycheck. Pillow of salt, go back to your position. No move, and get the salt, them nastiness. Yeah, that too. But you run, come out. I know you don't come in now. Pillow of salt for your Jam Crow. I know Tina that. I know she's so rich. Salt her again. No move. Duck my nice clean people them. Duck my nice clean people them. Royals, Blancas. Every other nation the duck. Let the talk like them. And the nasty fancy one them, fence up one them. And the nasty people them from over talk lie. And the nasty coke alert one them stand up another way. Move everybody else. Move. Wanna remove on yourself. Wait, stand up go get to John Crow. Dirty Tina. Coke alert. Quirky. Boy, you come on the fake page. You know, let me wait for your germs. You just show up yourself. Why you never show up yourself long time, John Crow? Pillar salt. Pillar salt. Go back. Lot wife, why you look back? Lot wife, why you look back? Why you look back, John Crow? Come in, soldier. We'll start them.
Good night, my.
Yeah.
Good night, my sister. How are you doing?
Me good. Me I start the pillar here. Talk me, soldier.
Start Lorraine and the nasty minions them.
Start them, yeah. Who else me for salt?
Talk everything what you say is the truth.
Who else me for salt? Yeah.
When Lorraine, when they bring up all the lines about Auntie Dana, then they talk all and they chop it instead. Then they say nothing.
Start me, soldier, yeah.
They believe every word.
Yes, soldier, yeah. Where?
Lorraine, you tease them and catch up on you.
Dirty Lorraine.
Catch up on you, Lorraine. Everything what you say, Gracie, are true about Lorraine.
Everything I true, we not tell a lie over here.
Mr. Gracie, Mr. Me believe you. When them, look how them bring up about Auntie Dana mother. How not how for them people now say a lie, but the whole of them they come up about child predator, one of them. The whole of them wicked, Gracie. Talk out to your good boat, me girl. I feel your mouth.
Yeah.
Talk out to your mouth, my sister. No, man, none of them tell enough to talk.
Okay.
Fabricate so lie about people. You don't want to bring down Auntie Dana. It is so harmful. So, my sister, take your talk and talk where you fit out.
Pillar them back.
Dirty Lorraine.
Go back in.
You're nasty lean one. Bitch, you. Dirty Lorraine.
Yeah, me soldier.
Me see them dancing now and house. Boy, me wonder if I saw somebody dance. Lorraine, and where you come from, sister? Hey, anywhere you come from, you better go along back the sister because I don't know if somebody can dance the way you dance while Jamaican. You look like a so fucking magic. And you look like a magic, Lorraine. Where? Talk your Gracie, everything where you chat is true. Dirty Lorraine, you dirty fucker, you. Then me sister catch up on your nasty ass.
Yeah.
Thank you, my sister.
All right, soldier. Big up yourself, soldier. Big up yourself. Bob! Wanna run out. Where? Gracie, stop. Pillar salt for your nastiness. Pillar salt for your germs. Pillar salt. Who was a black? Who was a black? Who? A Lorraine pay YouTube check. You go, well, that's what do you mean, Lorraine? Lorraine can't even pay. Never said. Me I try block them guys. Hello? Hello? Yeah? All right. Pillar salt for them. Alright, we block the one here. Hungry Belly Lorraine can't pay my YouTube check. You mad? Pillar salt upon them again. But my story them a lie. Who no man? No duck. Every other nation duck. Bet them coming out of the way. We'll salt them up tonight. Turn them back in a pillar salt tonight. Where? All that. Dirty Tina. We know you come on the fake page. Get that. But send scream record go get Lorraine. Make So you prove, Lord, that Lorraine fuck with you. Dirty Tina. Will a chill pill and take salt. We don't want to see back no comment from you. Dirty Tina. Turn back in a pill and salt. Everybody duck. We don't move. Georgie, why you dead every salt catch me? I'm not talking about no salt to catch you. I say duck. I think a water fling, man. I think a water fling tonight. Duck. Sure. Go away. In a yaya, go turn a pillar of salt, dirty girl. Move. Boy, you come out, you rush out, where you rush for? We never send call you through the week and you run out. Move. Everybody move and make the pillar of salt come forth. Come forth, pillar of salt. Bad mind. Grudgeful. Fix your lean body. Your kitchen not done good neither. You talk about people kitchen. Move the washing machine out of the kitchen where you cooking now. And where you bake for sell people cake. Move up. Cook it okay. Cook alert. Cook alert. Cook alert. Alright, Miss Brown, wait. Me stop myself flinging because you not tell me for black nobody when unnecessary. If Miss Brown say black, me blacking. Wait, guys. Miss Brown say black. Me blacking. Yeah, Miss Brown. Me I look for the name and time I say black, me know say serious something going on down there. Miss Brown, me deal with that one day. Go away. Pillar salt. Back to your position. Move. Move. Yeah, dirty Tina, you reach. No long me away for your Tina. Tina, why you come out? Tina, you know long me over here wait for you to come? Because I know you will come. Tina, you not come advertise your cake them yet. Hungry belly Tina. Last night, Tina, me see you run up and down and look ads. When you see 1,000 ad people over here, Tina, last night, you run up and down and look cake sale, you know? Me say Tina run on every comment with her feet page them. I sell her cake them. How much cake I sell today? How much Tina talk it truth? How much cake I sell last night? You're supposed to sell a whole heap of cake. Dirty Tina. Yeah, caller. Yes, Soji. Yeah? Oh. What's your name, what? Tasha Keckle. Tasha Keckle. Alright, I'm looking for her. Alright, we are looking for Tasha Keckle. Alright. Dirty Tasha Keckle, you think you get her tonight? Good night, Gracie never get no pin. Why you salting the germs then? You're laughing. Big up my top fans them. We're gonna salt them more, you know. We're gonna salt them more. Big up all my new followers them. We're gonna salt them more, you know. We're gonna salt them more. We're not done with them yet. With days after, with days off, with 2 days after we have, we not tell them which day off we have. What Tina chin cake that come you big and ugly like and hungry. Hungry belly girl. My black one page you come again. Wall of black, you not sell no cake tonight. You're ungrateful. After we make you sell cake last night, you can talk about you can't argue with disabled. Now you know why God take back all the blessing. Now you know why God take back all the blessing. We make you sell cake last night. And you rush out. You rush out pan with same way. You're ungrateful, Tina. You're ungrateful, Tina. Tina, you're a very ungrateful lady. We make you sell how much cake. Come and see I run up and down last night, you know. And that me say how them not come today. Ashanti she me see over there so. Miss Fancy catch up a fence. What them say? All know I tearing each other. Oh, we not look answer the comment, guys. Me say catch up a fence, she come out. And them depan dirty nasty Gracie she catch up a fence. You know, she said she have on a new suit today. What you know? What you one dirty K berry this. K carry. Dirty K carry. Dirty K carry and now sell no cake and they fake page Tina chain. Dirty Tina. We say you now sell no cake and no fake page today. Block that nastiness there. Natalie Parker sis. When we look today, we see fancy. She catch up in her fence, you know. We say, good girl, hey, good girl, catch up this night, you know. Hey, me don't know how good girl catch up so since the act rub me, you know. But me say, good girl catch up on her fence, that she. Good girl, she catch up on, and no, I say, good girl. And me alone say, good girl today. Good girl, she said she send out, lot wife couldn't manage to watch. A good girl come out today on her life. I want to see a good girl catch up on her fence. Good girl catch up on her fence, you know, guys. You want to see a good girl, she catch up on her fence. And a Gracie them come for rub. What the junker you say? Let me answer the germs here. So long this a germs are rain? Tasha dirty K Pelly. That Tasha nasty Pelly when I know wall. Cool Tasha. Let me argue with her. Tasha, you come here a little. When you and Tina be nice, same dirty water in the kitchen, you want to bake the cake in her. We know a Tina over here with the whole heap of fake page them. Tasha, we know you guys are here. But just sit down. Well, Tasha come here there. Everybody else move. The whole of them move. And the love jump up. Me not call Nana come. Tasha alone myself to come. Yeah, man, we are turn the wall in a pillar stand for them come tonight. Tasha alone me want tonight. We don't want nobody else. Come here, Tasha. Come here. Hold that germ. Go back over. Who sent call you? Don't come back over here. We never send call you. We only want these 10 people over here tonight. If your kitchen even old fashioned, you must decent. You must decent. Yes, Miss Brown, I don't want none catch you, Miss Brown. You're a decent lady. So stay under the bed. Yes, my darling, stay under the bed. Don't come out, Miss Brown. Whole salt germs. Whole salt junk crow. All international junk crow, them calling International Junk Crow Association. International Junk Crow Association no coming at this year now. We need to know. International Junk Crow association coming at this, we need to know. We don't come here. Line them up there. We don't move. Me not call you know, so turn up and laugh. Any hostile catch you don't take it. International Junker Associations. We call no. We calling unos. We calling unos tonight. Unos, come here. Run up. Run up, Harry. Run up the dog. Hey. Run up, Laura. Hey. Run up the shark and every animal. Come here, because we know over here on the fake page them. We know they on the fake page them. Run up young Shanty she. Miss Lakshot she. With her tongue, me say, I don't know how her tongue. She'll talk about people tongue heavy. But her tongue a wrap up. Because when she attack me, can't hear Miss Lakshot what this attack say. Her tongue wrap up where I call her out. Hello, we not calling no tea lady. She done turn that pillar start long time. We don't turn she. She Miss tea lady in her pillar start from the show start. So calling everybody else a full time to keep show. Calling everybody else on a duck. Everybody else move. Me not gonna talk again. Me are gonna 4. Me are gonna 3 for move. Alright, me are gonna 10 for move. Because I'm on very, very slow. So we are gonna 10 for move. I'm gonna count at 10. Anybody no move I can solved. And I can't say Gracie never tell no. 1, 2. Only who we call must come up front. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ready or not, here we come. Who about to come out and start and not disgusting self. Move from there. Go from there. Move from there. Move from there. Go ahead. Make sure you not catch you down. Come and tell them to move. Miss Brown, don't come out back yet. Stay under the bed, Miss Brown. Move from there. Long time you over here with me, Miss Brown. I mean, I want nothing to do. Because you have to watch out for the comment them come in. Yeah, my love. All of my nationals, they have to watch out for the comment them. So now, please don't come out yet. Tell me tell them to come out. Go from there. Move from the dirty sort of pillar. We don't want to know over here. We don't come out yet because we want to watch for the little germs and when them come for we throw salt upon them. Move from there, we don't want blind. You know. Pillar salt back food. No. Dirty girl Shanty, she is too ungrateful. We pop barrel gear, you still a come out, come cuss way. Dirty girl Shanty, why you do it? Nasty girl Shanty after we pop barrel gear. You feel grateful. Gotta beat your bad. You regularly in your basement catch up in your couch. Today God beat you, somebody have to catch up on fence. Are you a wall up the fence, dirtiness? Are you a wall up the fence? Fence a drop down by your nasty jankro. Yeah, come in at this. Yeah.
You there for online?
Mm-hmm.
You know, for the battery man, Harry.
Wait. Where's the no? Done me? Alright, me have a look. Wait there, guys. Cause nobody can done me because them not no files for me. Them not have no file for me. Probably life to keep later than how it keep now. Yeah, man, we'll keep live a little bit longer. Yeah, man, we'll keep live. Life for life. What we say? With time, but we're going to do it. We're going to do it. All right. We're going over there because we want to know what I'm have to say about we.
You're dirty. You know, you're long time, old time criminal in blood clot dress them at Jamaica. Gracie will walk up and look at blood clot Jamaica. Me not go Jamaica and go eat hot food. Because hot food, that's where your blood clot. I'm the deep on TV, Gracie, you can't talk to me. You can't talk to me, Gracie. You can't blood clot talk to them. You used to donate a nasty blood clot, dirty Gracie. Never beg it like it. Never hit me a come to our friend. Me was no blood clot for the only associated with you. I never invite you to dinner. I never say after work, let's go blood clot, lunch or nothing. Yeah, I never invite you to any Thanksgiving dinner with me and my family. He's not me blood clot friend. He's so nasty, dirty blood clot.
How would you say? How would you tell me and my friend? When did I say that?
Smell like a blood clot, fall cold. Dirty, Gracie. Dirty, warm-beard Gracie. Nasty, dirty blood clot Gracie. Mirror the fear. Mirror the fear. It look like an old people you have blood clot strength for. Well, me young like you, I'm full of blood clot because you know that too. Because you see the blood clot picture Gracie, you know, so you can't come up to me because you're ugly. Yeah, you're ugly Gracie. You have Down syndrome, literally, all over your blood clot, but when you look at you have Down syndrome, all your pussy have Down.
You know, we're not having time for moo tonight. No, no, leave, let me talk. Love, let me talk. Love, let me talk, because we don't have no time. We never come for moo sheet tonight. We never come for moo sheet tonight. We never come for moo. We never prepare for moo tonight. Tonight, I know you're not moo. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. You want to be? I'm a Tina Chin time now. I still call you back with a Tina Chin time. Alright, wait. Alright, so like you want dog her up, so dog her up.
I want dog up the big old girl where every man fuck out their whole just big so. So me just want tonight I fear time tonight.
No man, we have a bigger fish for cry. We have a bigger fish for blood tonight.
And she no want dog up Gracie. Me want tonight I fear night and tomorrow for dirty Harry when uncle fuck him. So put me on.
You're on. And tonight we are dealing with Harry she.
Me I tell look on, listen to me, look on dirty Tina Chin. Tina Chin is nobody. You hear me say Tina Chin pussy can go over. Anybody know that?
So me here.
Listen to me, one man Tina Chin fuck on them there. Tina Chin is big like a Bob Marley. Listen to me, they have one name Bulldog, they have Bull Blood Clot power. Tina Chin all big ass stink. Me don't know all people by our take. You see Harry uncle fuck him. You never know that? Harry run away from Jamaica. Me can't tell the whole of them ticket. Gracie them can't have nothing for you. Remember me tell you have nothing for you, Gracie. You see Tina Chin me know the whole of our ticket. That coke hole, big hole, dust hole, done hole girl when no man no want. You hear me say no man no want. You see Harry? Don't make Harry scared. Harry know nobody. I don't know if he's my he, I don't know if he's my she. I don't know if my man, I don't know if he's my woman. Harry body have infection. You know, yeah, Harry fuck Paul. You hear me say and get Paul infection. You have the whole of them ticket. Gracie don't make them think. Like them can't wild up you. Them don't know but Tina Chin and nobody. You hear me say, I don't know she jealous, I don't know progress. But guess what? Let me tell you this. Me tell this blood clot, dirty big old Tina Chin. Your pussy big like a Bob Marley funeral. Wide old Tina Chin, the biggest pussy in America. Dirty cake Tina Chin. I me itchy for you. You hear me say? Me itchy for you, and this is what I'm gonna do now. Me itchy for you. Me say me itchy for the girl, me itchy for the girl, me itchy for the dirty girl. You see a dirty Lorraine with a dirty dishes. Let me tell you something. You see a Lorraine, you see the man, the Lorraine, they learn to be the man, them helper. All blood clot, girl, we kill the man, let's kill the man wife, let's do me them all dog. Gracie them no bad day. No make them think them a so the whole crowd them you see all Ashanti they for welfare. And Ashanti say miss them they for welfare. Ashanti don't have nothing. You see nasty Tina Chin come out and say cash him up because she no want the money, but dirty boy Ashanti want the money. Nasty Ashanti, welfare boy, you're full of AIDS now, blood clot. You're nasty and think about your germs. Undercover batty boy Ashanti. Undercover batty boy Ashanti. Big old Ashanti. Pussy wood Ashanti. Dirty germs. Nastiness. Nastiness. We get trouble on social media and have nothing. Welfare boy. Don't live nowhere. You can't stink nowhere. Be alive for keeping you can't live nowhere. Me say, I yet them at Egypt for them Jesus Christ. Gracie, me live on the life still, right?
Yeah, go on. Why?
Me yet them to blood clot, Gracie, me yet the nastiness, me yet them. The word of my corruption. Don't mind them, Gracie. Me say, you say, Harry, uncle fucking. Me I ask you, every man Tina Chin fuck dead. Everyone Tina Chin fuck dead. Tina Chin have a dead hole. Tina Chin all dead. And the biggest hole. And the biggest hole. And a man, and a God make fear hole, you know. Fear hole just big like that. And all big blood clot. You see, she said she's still good. And no man no want her. You see the girl body. The girl come out going to the doctor place and come out back. And the girl body still not look good. The girl not look good.
The body left back in her bed.
Where's the Gracie?
The body left back in her bed.
You see the Gracie no make them coward, you know. No make, hey, you see Harry. You see a blood clot Harry. Big pussy. Big old Harry, like a buck in a bulldog, move on a blood clot in a bulldog body black, no blood clot, and face white, all big ass stink, the whole of them can't hold no man, they must set an international local drunk from no blood clot, the pig, on no drunk crow, me yet the whole of me yet to me itchy funo, me say me itchy funo, you know, me say me itchy funo, me say me never see a set a crew me yet, so, me say me hate them, Gracie just big up yourself, because them can't talk to you, Tina Chin have the biggest hole. Tina Chin hole big. Tina Chin hole could hold me, you. How much? Tina Chin have a big hole and you see her there? She have a monster hole. Remember me tell you how hole big. Me know people buy her cake. Tina Chin cake them nasty no blood clot. Boy, dirty girl. Hello, Gracie. Move no blood can't think of Gracie alone. How we have the back? Gracie back and me have band planka. I don't know go suck out in my mother. Remember me say that Gracie me gone and me gone. I gone. Big up yourself, Gracie. I love your life. One day.
Dirty Harry. Nasty Harry. Why she come out? Momo, you're going back. You think you can't come cow down nobody tonight? Momo! We say we are come with the plunger them for Nasty Harry. What we say? We are going to come with the plunger for Nasty Harry. A plunge she off fire for whoop, dirty Harry, watch me and see. Watch me and Harry see. A plunger we coming back for Harry she. What we say is a plunger live. Whoop, yeah man. We have to plunge the shit off fire. Outside, but she run out. Dirty Harry. When we're done with your Harry, you're going to say, why you run out? Rush back in. Plunge you in back. Whoop. I saw we are going to plunge out, Harry. You don't believe me? Watch me and Dirty Harry. Dirty Harry, you just start up, Gracie, you know? Them send you out to save over there. Show me something. It's a plunger life. No parties. I done they tell them already, you know. I say, rub, life, no parties. Yeah, plunger life. What we say, plunger life. Everybody walk with a plunger, because we are going to plunge dirty this off of ya. Hello?
Gracie, one thing more you tell Tina Chin. She remember so she not have one good focus in her whole, and girl when I have one good focus and the whole can't talk to we, because all of we are good as all our Gracie Nation fans them are good as Tina Chin. They not have one good focus for your whole. You need to find back your whole for your come from we. You not have no good fuck. You not have one sensible fuck left in you. Be a disabled, handicap, blood clot fuck you have left in your whole. Tell her say anytime she find back the good fuck, she come talk to we. Have a good night, sister.
But sir, plunge, we're going to plunge Arishi off of ya. What we say? We going to plunge the whole Ari. Ari, we going to draw the plunger them for you, because we're going to plunge out the shit out of ya. Where shit come from, Ladisa Warrior? Where the shit reach from, Ladisa Warrior? Arishi. Arishi, where you come start up, Gracie? We're going to plunge you from out of the warrior. It's a plunger we're going to work with for you. Yeah, my love. We'll keep a show for your dirty Harry. Because you want a show, Harry. You push up yourself like a unit. Yes, you're them saving grace. You say it loud, so me a done a saving grace. You are for them saving grace. We're going to plunge you from your soul. We are going to plunge you from our fire, sir. Harry can't done me. Dirty Harry can't done me. Wanna say, Dirty Harry not have no secret for Gracie. She not have no secret for me. Infected Harry not have no secret for me. Harry, when live with a man, when I live with a woman, she have in mind, don't have no secret for me. Dirty Harry, you're the man or the woman in the relationship. You don't have no secret for me. Nasty Harry. Nasty Harry, you're the man or the woman in the relationship. Dirty Harry. When you talk about people, you know better, because you have to mind the local young boy for them with your nasty stinking. Slay me, Harry, don't get me started tonight, you know. Don't do it, Harry. Don't get Gracie mad in the place, yeah. Dirty Harry, you can't rub me. Them say, real woman can't cuss batty man, but me go plunge you off of this drunk crow. Yeah, because we can act up like you too. You know we have it in our way. We have it in our way, but we don't use it. Dirty Harry, we have it in our too, but we don't use it, Harry. Me say we have it in our too, but we just don't take the side and we don't use it. Dirty plunger wall, Harry. Plunge Harry. Remember my bulldog picture, Harry. Blood, hey. Remember, Harry. So you are the inform upon the side there. Don't be forgot how much things you leak, Harry. Remember, most of the information I'm Gracie to get a you give them. And you give me. Nasty Harry, I forgot. You rush out, you chat Bulldog, you chat Lorraine, you chat the whole of them. Dirty Harry. Lorraine, what a way you got from? You got Bulldog yard, what if a big vacation? Lorraine, what's your way a Bulldog yard if you itch up for vacation? Lorraine? Eh? Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Cause I have something to say, can rub me, I rub them now, you know. I'm ignorant for dirty Harry. Me need the plunger them for Harry she. Me need my plunger for Harry she.
You know, for the last night. I mean, I tell you, people don't understand. You say what you are saying? You are not telling any lie.
But Dirty Ashanti, she a next one. Oh, she said she a straight man. And a batty man over there pan her life. And when she ready, she come out. And she beat, but she beat homosexual. She beat homosexual so bad. And she have Ari over there pan her life. Is it that Ari your girlfriend, Ashanti? Talk call her. Me say we are gonna plunge her out, man, with her little dirty self.
Jesus have mercy, me say, Lorian, me I tell you, get it.
Harry can't rub me. No time.
Washing machine in the kitchen. Come when me see me, I say, come on. Oh, you see the Facebook with a washing machine in your kitchen. And you cook with a washing machine in your kitchen. So me think it's me alone. He said that me alone. I said the woman will be a key with a washing machine in her kitchen. Then she come with her bright self.
Dirty area for go back in. We are gonna plunge you back in. It stink like. We can't afford it on the Facebook, Harry. We can't afford it, Harry. We have to go plunge you in back quick and fast. Me say, Harry, we have to go plunge you in back quick and fast. You cannot hear. You cannot breathe up no more. We are going to plunge you in back, me say. Plunge you in. Come back in. Where you come out for? Junkra. Plunge you in. You feel like, eh? What you feel like? Eh? We have a plunge team back, man. Wait, man. Me say, tomorrow, when? Me say, we have to get we plunger them. We have to get we plunger them. Yeah, man, tomorrow the plunger live. We are going to plunge him back, Dirty Irish here. Dirty Harry! We are going to plunge him back. Come back in. Wow! You think I alone at the loudness and your vocal? We just not use it, so we have it more than you, Dirty Harry. Me say we have it more than you, Dirty Harry. Hey! I like me, I go lock out someone, you know. Because anybody no walk with them plunger, you know. Anybody no walk with them plunger, you know, man. Walk with your plunger tomorrow night. Because every night we're coming out with something new. Walk with your plunger tomorrow night. Me a go lock out someone when I walk with no plunger, I'm serious. Walk with no plunger tomorrow night. Because we are going to flush them and forget them.
I can't get you. Gracie, people are calling you like crazy. Me know what man can't get you. Yo, plunge out, Harry. Plunge him out.
Me say we are going to plunge them out and forget them. Them put them up already. We are going to plunge out the shit them off of YouTube. We say, them put them out already. We are going to plunge them out tomorrow. Every night we come here with them on an assignment, me say. Every night we come here with them on an assignment. Tonight, we send him back the pillar start. Tomorrow night, we are going to plunge the shit off of this.
Plunge him. Yes. They're too wicked.
Watch me and them.
That woman didn't have no shame. No shame. Tina have no shame.
tomorrow plunger there. Plunger there. Yeah, my love, we put up the plunger them for Arishi. Put up the plunger them for Arishi. Yeah. But she'll come out. She thinks I'm like a back from her. Put up the plunger them for Arishi. Eh? Nation has got me say a war. A time for the war. I tell you say a war week, you know. I tell you say all of who not like what the war, give me a walk until next week. And a week a war week. Plunger tomorrow. Every day is a new assignment. Tomorrow plunger day. Me a go my bed and me a sleep and me a rest. Because I know I shall come back tomorrow with my plunger. And me shall, now them nastiness. Plunge you know for this. But I run out in a war. Eh? Kuunuto. Hey! Kuunuto, I was waiting. I was waiting. And I'm glad, no, I'm not secret for me, so I can't plunge you know fire. I was waiting on this big plunge out hole. Me not wait on this big plunge out hole for come out in the war. You know? Eh? This not a fierce plunge out hole, boy. Why she come out? Why this girl come out in the night, yeah? Why she come out? Why you get nastiness? Go up Miss some like this man and them run your out so they go and make platform. We look at fabricate lies. Plunge, you can't get it tomorrow. Because we coming out with the plungers. We don't come for mash up Gracie. We don't try bring down Miss D, we don't couldn't work. So when come for bring down Gracie, it shall be here. Plunge, it shall be here. Watch on the two about the one views, we not keep. We not keeping. You see over here after the over there. Yes, caller. I'm going to pin the wrong number you call me. So how you call me? Alright then, put the right number. Somebody put the right number, who know the right number. Because I'm not really familiar. Alright, caller, I'm going to try fix it. Thank you. Boy, you run out. Go back in, Harry. I don't know how I'm pin the wrong number. Go back in, Harry. Yeah, them saving grace. We're going to teach you a lesson. Don't rush out in a war. You will get hurt. 929-8000-753. Oh, sorry, caller. You're right. I mean, look at me go for say you're right. 753. Wait there, guys. I'm going to put out the right number now. Show me now. Wait there. 753. No, man. We not discriminate nobody, you know. But Dirty Harry, she not for coming a war. We not discriminate nobody, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. But Dirty Harry not for coming on a war. They call it, I try to pin this. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. You want to be on the live? Yeah, I put it up. May I fix it? Yes, darling. Miss just fix it, sweetheart. Alright, sweetheart. May just fix it. Alright, sorry, caller. So no call the right number, you know. Sorry, sweetheart. Yeah, I pin the right one. Yeah, man, no come, man. Call in, you know. Yeah, thank you, caller. Me say, I got my bed early tonight, but Dirty Harry, you keeping me up. Oh, tada. Go Harry, she. Harry, a plunger, we are care for you tonight. Tomorrow night. We're not in a long talking with Harry, she. We've got plunger off of your Harry, she. Harry can't done me. A few girl shanty she a look, man. She a next one. Anything for the views. No come call in. Harry time. Anybody that have nothing to say about Harry don't call. Harry time. Yeah, but we'll go back to hear what Harry has say. Harry sheet time.
Dirty Gracie. Dirty blood clot Gracie. Oh, you come for Tina. You're in a Tina blood clot category, dirty girl. You're in a Tina category. Nasty blood clot Gracie. Come here. You're in a Tina category. Ain't he that girl? Only rubber in a... Wow.
Rub no nastiness, cause tomorrow we have plunger. Rub today, cause we have a plunger tomorrow.
Right away.
And me, my rub. And me, my rub. And me really a rub. What the hell?
Straight and blood clad, and not no problem.
send him back Tina chill. And we're going to flush him in back. We send him back Tina chill and we're going to flush you back in. How about that? You make Tina send you. And you not get sent in, you know. You get flush in. How about that? Good night. Yeah, Carla.
Yeah, man. Put me on the live, the Gracie, because I wait so we tired of them.
Yeah.
I want an RC come out from with them little slimy mouth. He want full of slime. You know they stuck down the
She, not him. She.
He's slimy mouth. And he does the 360 she. Well, let go against Batman. That's why I'm saying pretty than say my top man Batman. So them hide them sexuality. Let them go. Or if RC comes on you, all of them know to tell people about them body. But see him, that's where him come from. He not even know him gender, where he come from. Tell them to go fix themselves so when God come, they can't confess them. Say, look, Harry, go away. Don't see Harry, fatty boy. You cannot come discriminate against somebody who comes off a mother. Fatty boy, Harry, go away. I'll come back to the pit like you where you come from. We are going to touch just tomorrow, fatty boy.
I'll flush that, man.
Yeah.
Come out with toilet paper and with plunger. Yeah, my love, we are come up with toilet paper with plunger. Right after we have flush them. We are flushing tomorrow, man. Watch we on it. Watch we on nasty Harry. Watch we on Harry, she. We're going to bed and rest and come back for Harry, she tomorrow. Because she rush out like she thinks that she can save over there. What she thinks that she can save over there? She can't save it because they get it. What was say? Them, she can't save it because they get it. And them say live, I would say live for live. And them say Robbins, I would say Robbins for Robbins. No partings. When them ready, I will bring it to them. Because we're not backing down. Plunge your life tomorrow. I go send him back. Plunge it him back. Yeah, my love. Them fat, them up already. So we go plunge him back tomorrow, man. Oh, Todd. We never planned for a long time, John Cross. We never planned for no. Yeah, man, we have fun. We have fun a long time because we know not gonna come. Think we are idiots? We know not gonna rush out. But we say winnings over here, sir. I would say, we say winnings, no losing. So Harry has to go plunging back. Because a winnings over here, sir, win. Everywhere you turn, over here, sir, win. We not lose the one here. Harry, she, nah, cramp we. What we say? Harry, she? Lies you guys told. Lie them tell. Harry, she can't cramp we. Them ball for war, and them can't manage war. Harry, she can't cramp we. We're going, hey. When I tell all these 10 people, them say don't come this week, you know. Some of them love hide up and reach over here. When they don't come, I'm telling you, it's a war time this week. Don't come. But don't use bad word, I'm not going to use none, but when they don't come, please stay over on the side. Yeah, my love, when the war done not come. When the war done not come, I'm not quit. Dirty Tina, what are we send out, Harry? I beat you bad last night, but you come cuss Tina. You can't look like Tina. Tina. Tea-lady. Tea-lady. We are beating the bad. What is that for R? What are we beat them bad? What are we only getting beaten bad? One set of people so bad I beat the whole of them. We beat 360 she. Laurie and she with our dirty plate them. We beat Tina shit. T-Lady she last night. And we are going to plunge in back Irish shit tomorrow. We're serious. What we say we are going to do? We are going to plunge in back Irish shit tomorrow. She too enough. She is too enough. We beat the whole of them. The whole of them we beat. So you see tomorrow a big life. The life not keep today, you know. Olive, we're going to plunge in back you two and throw some salt. But go away. Pillar of salt. The salt pillar them tonight, them vex. Them come up. The salt lick them tonight, you know, guys. The salt lick them tonight, man. The salt lick them tonight in the nation, they lick them. You see them come out and jump up like frog. Never must have salt them. I salt, you know, but them jump up like frog tonight. You know, move there. Where? One more salt. Jump up like frog again, Harry. One more salt. What the way Harry jump up like frog? Salt lick him, make him jump up like frog. Jump up like frog, Harry. Come in, Harry. Jump like frog, Harry. Tomorrow we are going to flush you. Tomorrow we are going to plunge you out. Nasty, Harry. Why you rush out? You rush when? Are you not on a receipt, dirty Harry? Where your receipt there, dirty Harry? Where your receipt there? Harry? Dirty Harry? Hello, good night. Why not play me tonight? Me I go rest. Harry she not working. Harry not work. Me have to go work. Them what is not work, you know. Dirty Olive. Dirty Tina. Them a rub me over there, so you pass them over there. So why you not go over them and pillar of salt? Pillar of salt. Why you not go over so with them there? Pillar, salt. Nationals, I'll see you tomorrow. What me say if you walk with tomorrow? What must you guys walk with tomorrow? What if you walk with tomorrow? What if you walk with tomorrow? Why nobody not answer me? Nobody not remember them assignment. Me tell you say no. Me I go beat you know. Someone not go left outside tomorrow. What if you walk with tomorrow? Because we not play. We not play with none of them. What if you walk with tomorrow? War gonna get intensify. But say the war get intensify. I'm going to my bed now. Tomorrow I work. Yeah, my love, we have to work. We have to work. See, it's true, we're not afraid of no bulldog, no dumpy conqueror. We're going to work tomorrow. Going to work tomorrow. So guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. We're not afraid of them. We are rest up and come again. What we say, we are rest up. At this hurt them. Do the day shift tomorrow. Me do the night shift. If both them want me chat back to you, do it. They never want me to chat back, you know. Them don't want me to chat back, but unity is strength. Bygones be bygones. Run the day shift tomorrow, cause all of me don't work. Me a thief time and me a beat them tomorrow pan trending drama when we hear about it. Run the day shift today, cause me beat them bad over there today. And them vex, cause me call in and me say I talk some things to our trending drama. So I didn't expect them to come out. So do the day shift, my love. Do the day shift tomorrow, do it. And me run the night shift. Yeah, do it. Beat them bad on the day shift. And go over there, go help, do it, run the day shift now. Gonna try go over the other who now work go over trending drama tomorrow and run out and rush out and blast them tomorrow cause them show now keep our show no bigger than for them show. What do them? We have put them off. Them too much. Myself now if go over trending drama tomorrow and give them it. Thank you, my tongue heavy. And that me no hide. Tina Chin go chit chat go and big up yourself, nice clean self. Anika, Tina Chin, Dirty Tina. I call it Dirty Tea lady name out of my mouth, man. Chit chat go on. Mr. We got plunge them in tomorrow. Watch where them nasty is. We don't go over the way tomorrow. Because we going keep life for them tomorrow. Run the day shift the way now. And we run the night shift because we are take them off. We are take them down. Yeah, we are take them down. We're tired of them. I say, we're tired of them. And before the Christmas come, our Christmas present that we want to get rid of them. Santa give a Christmas present early. An early Christmas, people. An early Christmas. We're getting rid of them. Do we and you run the day shift, my love? And we will beat them bad in the night shift. And we are going to beat them bad in the day shift. Because I say if a thief for 5 hours, 10 minutes. And I me coming for them nastiness here tomorrow. Yeah, my love. Run the day shift, do we and run the day shift. Run the day shift. Run the day shift, because we are kill them. Run the day shift. But me I say Lorraine is a damn thief. And the party at them. And that's why Bulldog run calling over Girl Shanty. That's why Bulldog calling over Girl Shanty. Because I say Lorraine thief. She damn thief. He drop chicken money for sure. She thief for drop chicken money. And not for run we go to Maryland. Because she love her belly. And that must say. I'm not take it back. I'm not take it back. She thief the drop chicken money over New York. Where she not working at the chicken place. When she not work at the chicken place, if she not thief it jerk chicken money, she thief it money. If she not thief it jerk chicken, she thief it money. The bulldog, that me say, scream record it. Dirty Tina, we come out on the bed and tell me what me say. We know she. Can you quick she jump up back? I open the screen record, this part I send go get Lorraine. We never hide Tina. We attack the things that we never hide. Yeah, go let's say we that put them out and ground and talk. We attack everything because we know we're not going to hear. Now, idiot. Anything we talk out in the public, we want the whole world hear. Dirty, nasty, undocumented bulldog. We give you the message we carry over there. Because we know you're here, bulldog. We know you're there. We know no life no miss you. So we know right now, you're the on the live there, but we know you have a next phone and listen to what we have to say. Or your TV has some document things in your house and listen to what we have said now. We know. But tomorrow assignment is to walk with no plunger. We're sending back the pillar of salt today. We're sending back the pillar of salt. You born a man. Earth up our edge gonna call Harry everybody, but none of them can send me back in. It earth up the pillar of salt today. It earth up the pillar of salt today, she. War are getting intensified. Wanna draw for Harry. We know if we draw for back up to if the war get hotter, we can't deal with it and they get ugly. We know if we call back up to dirty boy. We know if we call back up. We not lose no fight. We build for war. We build for war, John Cross. We build for war, who no go back in. Go back in, we not like, you know. The platform, we no go up on that, the biggest war ever win over here. First war that we win. First war that we come out, come war against. And we never lose. We're not here, but we yet to love do things for people. We give girl Shanti gender reveal already. So we not gonna give you no gender reveal. I'm jealous over the gender reveal with girl Shanti get a run gone over our platform. Me dirty Harry. Plunge, we're gonna plunge you off fire. Plunge alive tomorrow. Plunge alive tomorrow. Undocumented bulldog, come here there. Turn that pillar of salt, dirty Tina. Pillar of salt. Turn back in a pillar of salt. We're tired of you. Early Christmas. All of them come off of you before the Christmas come. Early Christmas. Early Christmas, we say. A full time for we bust champagne now. And celebrate what's not gone. Yeah, man, we need to keep up send-off party give them. We're going to give them a big send-off party. Because we're tired of them. Friday party, dear. Friday's party. We are celebrating in advance. We're celebrating in advance. After we're done war this week, that Shireen, big up your nice clean self, my friend. My big friend. My friend, big up yourself. Yeah, my love. Party, we're going to party after we're done. Everybody come out and the numbers when we're done. And we are going to send him back dirty Arishi. Outside, about she run out. Later, will be greater. Bye. Sleep time. Work tomorrow. Plunger tomorrow. School work and plunger live. We come in with a plunger. We have flushed that out. We have sent that back over so. We don't want it over here. We don't want not shitty shit. It not gonna work. It not gonna work. It not gonna work. No. No, Harry. Not this one. Sit this one out, Harry. Alright, Harry, sit this one out. We not discriminate gay people. But Harry, sit this one out. We're gonna plunge you in back. You're too enough. And your mouth, we're gonna plunge you in back. Bye. See you later. Love you guys.